In this video I will show you how to replace the side view mirrors on 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado. Before you begin, park the truck on a level surface and engage the emergency brake for safety. Step number 1. Open the front door that has the side view mirror you want to replace, remove the small cover behind the interior door handle with a small hook and pry it outward as shown on the screen to remove it. 2. Once the cover is removed, proceed to remove the screw that holds the door panel in place using a ratchet and a 7mm socket. 3. Remove the trim located on the outside edge of the door handle using a plastic trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool while prying it outward to release it. 4. Remove the 2 screws holding the door panel to the handle using a ratchet and a 7mm socket. 5. Remove the screws holding the door panel to the bottom of the door using a ratchet and a 7mm socket. 6. Next, pull the door panel outward from the inside edge or insert the trim removal tool around the perimeter of the panel and pry it outward to release it from the door. 7. Lift the door panel up to release it and proceed to lower it and sit it on the ground leaning against the door. Note, it is not necessary to disconnect the electrical cables or the door release lever actuator cable to replace the side view mirror. 8. Remove the screw access cover from the side mirror in the upper corner using the trim removal tool. Insert the tool around the perimeter of the cover and pry it outward to remove it. 9. Once the cover is removed, proceed to disconnect the mirror's electrical wires by pulling back the red lock, pressing inward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling the connector outward to disconnect it. 10. Next, remove the 4 nuts securing the side view mirror using a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Wrap and hold the mirror with a blanket before removing the last nut to prevent it from accidentally falling or damaging the door's paint. 11. Once the nuts are removed completely, proceed to remove the damaged mirror by pulling it straight out with your hands. 12. Install the new mirror in its original position, ensuring that it fits properly, and partially install a nut to position it correctly and prevent it from accidentally falling to the ground. 13. Install the remaining holding nuts in their original positions and tighten them firmly according to the specifications described in the mirror's manufacturer installation instruction sheet. 14. Install the electrical connector in its original position by simply pressing inward on the connector, ensuring that it engages properly, and sliding the red lock back into its original position. 15. Next, install the cover back in its original position pressing inward with your hands ensuring that it fits correctly. 16. Install the door panel back in its original position, ensuring that the door latch is in the correct place and that the panel retaining clips are aligned correctly. 17. Push inward on the door panel so the retaining clips snap back into place. 18. Next, install and firmly tighten the screws securing the door panel at the bottom, the screws on the door pull handle, and the screws located behind the door release handle respectively. 19. Finally, install the moldings on the door handle and behind the door release handle in their original positions pressing inward with your hands ensuring that they fit correctly. That's how simple it is to replace the side view mirrors on 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado pickup trucks. Have a great day.